everyone, welcome to Physics by Simran. Today we will cover our lecture number 3 for solid state physics. Let's start with our preceding topics. Let's start with the last homework. A plane makes intercepts of 1 and 2 angstrom on A and B axis respectively, but parallel to C axis. Find Miller indices of if A ratio, B ratio, C is equal to 3 ratio 2 ratio 1. Student, we will know that what are they saying? एक प्लेन है वो इंटरसेप्ट बना रहा है 1 डिग्री एंड 2 एंगस्ट्रॉम ऑन ए एंड बी एक्सिस, बट वो क्या है, पैरेलल है सी एक्सिस पे. तो वी विल हैव लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर. दिस विल बी ए बी एंड सी. ओके, तो ए पे वो कितनी इंटरसेप्ट बना रहा है 1 एंगस्ट्रॉम, यहाँ पे 2 एंगस्ट्रॉम. अगर वो सी के पैरेलल है, इट मीन सी की वैल्यू क्या होगी, 0. ओके, एंड अगर सी की वैल्यू 0 है, देन इट मींस इट्स इंटरसेप्ट ओसी विल बी इक्वल टू, मैम कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा, why is there any problem? Is it visible now? Okay, so now here OC will be equal to your infinity. So now what are going to we will do, OA ratio OB ratio OC, that will be 1 angstrom ratio 2 angstrom ratio infinity. Why it is infinity? Because it is parallel to C axis. Now we will know that H ratio K ratio L, Miller indices formula, A over OA ratio B over OB ratio C over OC. So now here we will get 3 over 1 ratio, what you have, 2 over 2 ratio 1 over infinity. 1 by infinity, that will be your 0 answer. So the next, so here you will get H ratio K ratio L as 3 over 1 ratio 2 over 2 ratio 1 by infinity. So here will be 3 ratio 1 ratio 0. That will be your HKL. Now how we will represent? We will represent it as HKL Miller indices, that is equal to 310. That is your answer. It is very important numerical. Now the next same numerical, I'm just changing the intercept value. You will have to solve it and send it to me on Telegram. This will be your 3 angstrom and this will be your 4 angstrom. And the next topic will be, it will be in the ratio, find the Miller indices if 3 ratio 2 ratio 1. 3 ratio 5 ratio 1. This will be your homework. This will be your homework. Same numerical, I'm just changing the value and that will be your homework. Now the next is very interesting and important topic, that is relation between lattice parameter and mass density of a cubic crystal. Of a cubic crystal. So, bache, what is lattice parameter? First of all, you have to know that what is lattice parameter. Lattice parameter basically represents sides of unit cell. Lattice parameter means sides of unit cell. Now, this is valid only for cubic crystal. जो formula अभी मैं लिखूंगी, that is valid only for cubic crystal. That is lattice parameter side of unit cell is represented by A is equal to n into ME. You already, if you had done masters, अगर आप लोगों ने प्लस 2 में फिजिक्स पढ़ा है, केमिस्ट्री पढ़ा है, तुम लोगों ने ये वहां पे साइड्स का वैल्यू किया हुआ है. तो इसको अगर जरूरत है, अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है, आई विल सॉल्व इट टू, बट तुम लोगों को ये फॉर्मूला एज इट इज याद करना पड़ेगा. इसकी वैल्यू ये होती है, दिस वैलिड ओनली फॉर क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल. what is N here? N is basically represent number of atoms per unit cell. And MA represent, I know this formula. Okay, good. MA is basically your atomic mass, atomic weight, atomic mass or basically atomic weight, and it will be represented in AMU, atomic mass unit. It also be in kg, it will be also in AMU. What is Na? Na will be your Avogadro number. Avogadro number is basically 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of atoms. That is Avogadro number. Then what is rho? Rho is basically your mass density here, specific gravity here. And you will also, relative density word is here for rho. And what is A? And A where will be your lattice parameter. Lattice parameter of cubic crystal. Any doubt in this formula? This is very important formula. Many questions come in exam from this formula. Okay. Now the next thing is, अगर बच्चे हमारे पास if MA is given in AMU, अगर हमारे पास जो मास है that will be given in atomic mass unit. For example, अगर हमारे पास क्लोरीन का मास given है 35.5 in AMU, so to change it in gram, or first of all you have to change AMU in gram or kilogram. So to change it in gram or kilogram, multiply just by Avogadro number. Multiply it by Avogadro number. What's it? This is tip. So what if we have to change unit in kg per meter cube? Just you have to multiply atomic number the 6.023 into 10 raised to power 26, because here is meter cube. If units are gram per centimeter cube, then जो हमारे पास Avogadro number use होगा that is 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. This 26 is basically for meter and 23 is representation for centimeter. Basically M or cm is unit of A here. M is also unit of A and cm is also unit of A. Clear? जब भी हमारे पास मास एटॉमिक मास यूनिट में गिवन होगा तो हमें सबसे पहले इसको ग्राम और किलोग्राम में चेंज करना होगा. उसको चेंज करने के लिए हमें उसको एवोगाड्रो नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. अगर हमने केजी में चेंज करना है तो हमें एवोगाड्रो यूज करना होगा, जहां पे हमारे पास वैल्यू कितनी है 26 पावर, और ग्राम एंड सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में होगा तो हमारे पास 23 की पावर में चेंज होना होगा. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे मीटर और सेंटीमीटर क्या रिप्रेजेंटेशन है? यूनिट्स ऑफ ए. Now the next is very important, volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell basically represented by A cube. Volume is basically length into breadth into height. Here cube has sides A into A into A, that is your A cube. So that's why volume is equal to A cube, and here formula will be N into MA into Avogadro number into density. That is also very important formula. Now the next is number of atoms per unit volume. Number of atoms per unit volume, that is N over A cube. Number of atoms, N is basically कितने number of atoms है, and A cube basically representation of volume. So N over A cube will be your Na into rho over mass of it. Now listen, this is a very interesting left hand side. This is your left hand side and this will be your right hand side. This left hand side is valid only for cubic crystal, and this right hand side is valid for all crystal. Valid for all crystals. Clear? This number of atoms per unit volume is known as number density, atomic density. अगर एग्जाम में ये वर्ड भी आए तो यू हैव टू यूज दिस फॉर्मूला, और यू विल नंबर ऑफ एटम्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम इज नोन एज एटॉमिक कंसेंट्रेशन. Just wait, just wait. So now the next topic is our crystal structure. In crystal structure we are going to do, first one is simple cubic, and this will be our simple cubic structure. Okay, so now let's see. Suppose this have unit length a, that is lattice parameter is your a. So there are 8 atoms in the corner. So there is only one atom that is placed at each lattice point. Okay, so this is our first atom and this is will be its second nearest. Suppose we have atoms, for example this is our first atom, this is our second, they are having distance between them, that the nearest distance between them is known as internuclear distance, or basically you will tell it as bond length. You have bond length. What is bond length? Means nearest neighbor distance. In simple cubic, but in simple cubic all the atoms are of same type, have same radii. But the next is very important, that there is a question in exam, what is coordination number? Coordination number is basically a number of atom with which one atom form bond. Number of atoms with which one atom form bonds. So suppose this is our latest structure. Here is one atom, here is second atom. This is also one atom, this is second atom. If we are having it having radius r, this structure also having radius r, total distance will be your 2r. So 2r will be your a, that is your lattice parameter. So 2r is equal to a is noted as coordination number. Any doubt? Divesh, any doubt? So basically it is denoted as nearest neighbor. Okay, okay. So second, so you have to keep in mind, few things. That is a direct question in for exam point of view, that is second or next neighbor distance. That will be equal to root 2a. Then number of second nearest neighbor, that is particularly 12. The next very important topic is body diagonal of cube, that is equal to root 3a. But how a second nearest neighbor is equal to 12? So see, if we are talking about plane, we have three types of plane: xy plane, yz plane and xz plane. Okay, so अगर हम बात करें yz plane की, उसके पास हमारे पास कितने सेकंड नेबर है? 4 सेकंड नेक्स्ट नेबर है. अगर हम बात करें एक्स जेड प्लेन की, उसके पास भी कितने हैं? 4. नेक्स्ट इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्स वाई प्लेन, दे आर आल्सो हैविंग 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 12. That's why the second next nearest neighbor equal to your 12. And the next is very important, वॉल्यूम ऑफ यूनिट सेल. बच्चे ये जो पॉइंट्स है ये एज इट इज क्वेश्चन आते हैं टीफर में, आईआईटी जैम में, सीएसआर नेट में. सो अपने माइंड में इनको बिठाना पड़ेगा. वॉल्यूम ऑफ यूनिट सेल दैट इज इक्वल टू ए क्यूब. देन वॉल्यूम ऑफ प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल of simple cubic, that is equal to a cube. Now the next is if coordination number is greater than 12 or atomic packing fraction is also greater than 74%, then the crystal will be loosely packed structure. Then it is loosely packed crystal. अगर तुम्हारे पास क्वेश्चन आए व्हाट विल बी द कंडीशन ऑफ अ लूजली पैक्ड क्रिस्टल, इट मींस इट हैव कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ग्रेटर देन 12, इट हैव एटॉमिक पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन नंबर मोर देन 74%. The next very important is calculation of atomic packing fraction. But the calculation of atomic packing fraction will be equal to volume of atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. But what is the meaning of atomic packing fraction? It means how much of fraction of unit cell is filled with atom. कि हमारे पास अगर क्रिस्टल है उसमें कितने एटम है, that will be your atomic packing fraction. It will show how much fraction of unit cell is filled with atoms. Now बच्चे what number of atoms in unit cell? So volume of atoms in unit cell, basically unit cell is basically our in अगर हम atom की बात करें that will be in spherical shape. So अगर हम यहाँ पे substitute करें values, तो यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? अगर हमारे पास एक एटम की निकालने 1 into 4/3 pi a cube pi r cube over volume of unit cell, that will be your a cube. Here we know that a is equal to 2r. We already know that that will be our nearest distance neighbor. So here if we substituting this value 4/3 pi r cube over 2r cube. So if you cut all these values, you will get answer as pi/6. So for simple cubic crystal, you will have value as 180 divided by 6. Here you will have 0.52 value. If we are talking about in percentage, you will get as 52% as answer. That means 52% part of crystal is occupied by atoms. This is only for the case of simple cubic crystal, and 48% part is empty. Any problem or any doubt in this? Any doubt? Okay, the next is body centered cubic. You know, body centered cubic है, this is our crystal. So if we are talking about body, that means it will present between two opposite centers. Okay, so suppose this is our first atom, this is our second, third. We are just talking about corner atoms. Now the atom present in body center, that will be present here. So if we are joining this 1, 2, 3, and this will be your, just making like this, I am making this first atom, this second atom, this is third atom. So here I am having 1, 2, 3 atoms जो present है, that will be my fourth atom. So each having distance is what? A, and it will, between these two are having distance 2a. Total distance will be your, this distance will be your 3 by 2a. So that's why body centered have distance is equal to 3 by 2a. So atoms at corner and one atom at body centered position. मतलब जितने कॉर्नर के एटम है वो हम करेंगे काउंट, और एक एटम जो बॉडी सेंटर्ड पोजीशन में पड़ा होगा, दैट इज आवर बॉडी सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा तब हमारे पास। और यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ नियरेस्ट नेबर कितने होते हैं? 8। and nearest neighbor distance will be 2r is equal to root 3 by 2a. That will be calculated using this formula. So how you can calculate this? I'm just going to describe it again. This is our atoms, this is our corner atoms. Okay, okay, so here we having distance, total distance a, and here you will having distance 2a, and at this point you will having distance root 3 by 2a. So that is your distance of body centered. Now for center atom, जो हमारे पास atom present है center में, उसका nearest neighbor कितने atoms को touch कर रहा है? Nearest neighbor are all 8 atoms. That means उस पे हर जितने भी corner पे atom है सबका influence होगा। अगर उन पे इन्फ्लुएंस होगा तो तुम्हारे पास एक चार्ट बनेगा SC, BCC, FCC, HCP, DC और ZNS। और ये जो चार्ट है तुम्हें एज इट इज ही याद करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज विदाउट इस चीज को याद किए तुम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और वो जो चार्ट है आई विल सेंड इट ऑन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप so that you will make that chart. That is very important. If you have, what is the properties of simple cubic, what is the property of BCC, FCC, HCP, DC, ZNS. You are going to solve it types of unit cell, number of atom, nearest number of atom per unit cell, atomic radius, type of packing, examples. You have to solve each and everything there.